Pound dollar, daily forecast, July 11th, FXEmpire.com. Cable fell for most of the Tuesday session as a risk-off trade came back into play. It's probably less of a referendum on the pound than it was a confirmation of the US dollar being bullish. This pair has been consolidating for about 6 weeks or so, and we are at the bottom of that range, so it makes sense that we saw a little bit of strength. Having said that, we think that the 154.50 level is an area that should hold a support, and if it doesn't, then we could really start to see an aggressive move lower. This will more than likely be predicated upon problems in Europe and probably nothing to do with the United States or the United Kingdom themselves. Unfortunately for the UK, they are very exposed to the European Union, so they're going to be very sensitive to what goes on there. The consolidation rectangle that we're in, though, we think should hold over time, and a break of the top of the hammer from Tuesday should send this pair searching for 157. Above 157, it gets dicey until we can clear the 158 level, and as such, we actually think of this more or less as a short-term trade back and forth. We would take a smaller position on the long side because it is counter trend, regardless of what you've seen over the last 6 weeks. There is still going to be more possible catalyst out there to bring this pair down than up. So, having said that, we are more comfortable selling. Smaller position going long, full size position going short if we get the resistive candle in this area. On a daily close above 158, however, we would be willing to join the party and continue to go long in this pair.